What's happening in Marin County homes for just condos and townhouses? So not including single-family homes. There is a statistic that is down 49%. Wow! Can you guess what it is? So let's get to it. I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor, and I can help you buy or sell any home in Marin. Click the link in the description to get your free consultation, or if you'd prefer, just email me. And to get all the juicy details about Marin closed sales each month, complete with addresses and what's sold above, at, or below list, hit the link newsletter in the description below to sign up for my monthly email. Or just email me with the subject line newsletter. This is information you won't find anywhere else, and it's free, of course. Okay, as I said, this video is only about condos and townhouses, so the stats are different than my video on all Marin County homes or the one that's just single family homes. To see those, just check out the videos from my channel page. And here we are with the inventory for just condominiums and townhouses. The light green bars at the top are how many homes are for sale currently in Marin, and you can see that they have been increasing every month for the last few months. Overall, from month to month, the amount of homes for sale is up 11.8%, inventory increasing. When you look at it compared to last year, it's up 9.9%. That's the same month year to year. And when you look at it by the quarter basis, also shows 9.9%. As far as sold homes, those are the dark green bars down here. That was up 3.7% in September over August and down 15.2% when you compare it to last year. And this is the number, right? Not a price, the amount of homes that sold, and down 26.5% when you compare the quarter to quarter last year. Obviously, the quarter numbers are a lot more statistically relevant, so that is of interest. The blue line here, by the way, are the new listings, which are decreasing a bit. And this is the days on market, you know, how long it takes to sell a home. Interesting that it went up so high in August and right back to where it had been for several months by September. Gotta wonder if there were just so many people vacationing that it took longer to sell a house in August. Anyway, you can also see this is the number that is the sales price over the original list price percentage, and that shows that it went up, so prices must have gone up. Let's take a look. So we have the prices. Yeah, prices are up 14.7% based on selling more than what sellers thought they were going to get for their house. That's what that number is. The days on market, though, were down 49.4%. That's this big drop that we saw here. But when you compare the same month to the month last year, it's up 44.8%. So that shows you that it's much harder to sell a house in September of this year than it was last year. And when you look at it on a quarter basis, it's up 4%. And now we have the prices, and the prices are the median price is the blue bars at the bottom. Those are showing a decrease in price for month over month of negative 3.6%, an increase when you look at it compared to last year, same month, 1.3. And when you look at the whole quarter, the more statistically relevant number, up 2%. That's the whole quarter compared to the same quarter last year. Now the green, no, it's not the green. The green is what people want for their homes. The red are the actual sales prices, and the average sold price, red line, was up 1.1% in September. It was up 5.1% when you compare it to the same month last year, and up 1.1% when you have a whole quarter and you compare it to the whole quarter last year. So weaker than last year, and that is the most statistically significant number. And now we are looking at that information of average price per square foot. And you can see that from August to September, it went down. That's reflected right here, down 3.3%. When you compare this month of September to a year ago, September, that number is up 1.6% based on price per square foot. And the most relevant number, the quarter compared to the quarter last year, is down 2.5%. So that shows a weakness in condominiums and townhouses. And here is a chart of the median estimated value. This is my favorite chart because this is where they take the sales prices that actually sold. They extrapolate value of the homes, the townhouses and condominiums that are nearby and around those sales prices. And they come up with a single number for the estimated value for all condos and townhomes in Marin County. And right now they're showing that from month to month. So from August to September, that prices are down 2% in condos and townhouses. Although when you look at that number based on the 12-month change, then they're up 1.5%. So we got a bit of information going on here that's a little different. And by the way, if you didn't see my Marin County video for all of Marin County from 2 weeks ago, please take a look at that one because I talk a lot more about what's happening in the market. I have a couple more interesting charts, one based on how much homes sellers are having to lower the price of their home in order to attract buyers, and the other one that has to do with the current state of mortgage rates. So you should check those out. And hey, please subscribe to encourage me to keep doing these videos. If you'd like more information about living in Marin County or some information about all the recent real estate changes, check out the videos that should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.